Alright everyone, just want to show you, we got some snow. Look at all this snow. Whew. That's a lot of snow. Look at all this. Hasn't even been snow blowed yet. It's like really early in the morning right now. The snow's coming down. It's windy out here. This is the snow we got overnight. I gotta clean the porch off. Have a look at the backyard. There's a lot of snow back here too. Look at all that crap. See that? Look at the wind. Just blowing the snow around. See that? Not only do I have my sweatshirt on, but I also have my blue winter coat on to keep me warm. There's snow all over the place. Just gonna take a walk around. There's literally no footprints back here, so I'm the first person to be walking back here. Look at all the snow back here. Look at all that. It's a lot of freaking snow. Gotta shovel all this later on today. All right. Okay, now we're taking a walk down over this way. The snow's coming down. Snowplow down there. First time we did have snow was October 30th, but not this much snow. This is all gonna get snow blowed today. Look at all the snow. It's a lot of freaking snow. This is insane. Oh God, that wind. Whew. Look at that. These cars are gonna get cleaned off today. Oh my goodness. That's strong wind. All these stairs, gotta shovel all this today. Gotta shovel off my mom's car. Get all that shoveled off. Gotta be careful out here for sure. It's like 6 in the morning right now. There's literally snow all over the cars. None of these cars have been cleaned off yet. The neighbor still has AC in. Nothing has been shoveled. Not a single thing. As of right now. I don't have any gloves on, so my hands are freezing, but see all the snow here? Look at all that. This all is gonna get shoveled. Look at all the snow we got overnight so far. It's a lot of friggin' snow. It's windy, snowing. That's what makes it freezing, because the wind combines with it, you know? Look at all the snow all over the place. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty intense. I remember the snowstorm we got last year. It's all gonna be shoveled today. For sure. Gotta clean off my mom's car. Gotta start it up. Oh, I'm freezing right now. But this is the snowstorm that we got. I believe it's Winter Storm Bailey, Winter Storm Gale. It's one of those names. There's a snowplow down there. The snow's coming down. It started around 8 o'clock last night, and it's still snowing now. Well, we got a lot of snow. We're probably gonna get even more snow. I thought it would start at 6 or 7, but it started at 8 o'clock last night, and I have the day off from school today. I have no school today. It's a snow day. Even though I have online, they still choose that to be a day off because with all the snow we got, they just want to make this a day off. See the snow coming down? Look at that snow. All the cars have not been cleaned off yet at all. These cars, they're going to be cleaned off today. Again, backyard, the cars have not been cleaned off yet. Got to clean off the cars. The neighbors here will clean off their cars. I'm going to clean off my mom's car and start it up and everything. And, all the snow. It's deep snow, too. Definitely deep. We got a lot of snow so far here. See? Look at this snow. This is crazy. Look at all this snow. Look at all that. Lots and lots of snow. Quite a bit. Snowplow right there. So the roads are definitely getting cleared. I got boots on. I ain't got my sneakers on. Definitely not. But I'm wearing my mom's boots. So my feet aren't freezing, but my hands are. I don't have any gloves. So I'm using one hand to hold the iPad, and I'm using my other hand. I have that in my pocket because it's damn cold out here. But again, all these cars here, none of them have been cleaned off yet. None of those cars over there have been cleaned off. They all got to be cleaned off today. And again, showing you over here, all has to be shoveled. Literally nothing has been shoveled yet. Nothing at all. So the neighbor, me, we're going to be shoveling today. Shoveling all this freaking snow. So just wanted to make a video on that. As I told you, I'd make a video on the snow that we got. So here it is. This freaking crazy snowstorm here. All this freaking snow. Where I live. So hope you enjoyed this, and I might make a video later tonight when we get a little more snow. So stay tuned for that, and have a great day, everybody.